Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to turn green messages to blue on iPhone. Let's get started. First, green messages means you're sending SMS text messages, while blue messages means you're using iMessage. To turn them blue, go to settings, then messages, then make sure iMessage is turned on. Next, check that you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data because iMessage requires an internet connection. Also, make sure the person you're texting is using an Apple device with iMessage turned on. If they're using Android, the messages will stay green, and that's normal. If it's still green, try signing out and back into your Apple ID and under settings, then messages and send and receive. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.